Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about IRC Department Clearance. So if you are following me from the beginning, then the process to understand the resignation process, you will be able to understand it very quick and easier way. So that is why I'll suggest please see all the videos in a sequence, then it will be more easier for you to understand this process. Okay, so you need to take the IRC department clearance. How to obtain this IRC clearance? You have to submit the IRC or library resources such as a book. So you know that in each and every TCS location there is a library. You can take the physical copy of a book as well as CDs, magazines, etc. Then on the before the day of your release date, you have to submit all these IRC library related materials. You can check the list of all resources are issued to you via the link as you can see in the screen: Ultimatics Learning and Collaboration, IRC Online Resources, IRC Connect, My Account. So in this path if you'll go, then you will be able to see that is there any kind of resources attached to your account or not. Okay, so on the submission of your IRC or library asset issued by the IRC department, an official from the department who is tagged as a clearance officer in the iTalent shall approve your clearance. You can check the status of your IRC clearance via the below link, as you can see in the below section: Ultimatics, then Human Resource and Diversity and iTalent, and then in the separation section you can see the status about your clearance. And so that's it for the IRC clearance. So if you have any question regarding the IRC departmental clearance, you can ask your separation officer as well. So as in some of the cases, employee don't take the IRC department clearance, so on that case you don't have to take the clearance from the IRC department as well. And if you are taking the material from the IRC, then you should take the clearance. Okay, so if you have any question regarding the IRC department clearance, you can ask it in the comment section. We'll try to solve your question as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.